Lois, I'm at the gym. I hate it here. I want to come home. Everybody's so mean, and there's this one guy who follows me around and calls me fat.
Hate us because they ain't us.
Exactly. They hate us because they ain't us. That's a great saying, okay?
Hate us because they ain't us!
They hate us because they ain't us.
Finally. Cause I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt? Tomorrow I may buy myself a dining room set or this Boba Fett. Credit card debt.
Sunshine on the beach with my back out. In a two-piece, make a nigga go. Start blinking, make the city go blackout. Walk with a limp, hip hurt like. Taking pictures.